Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Daniel Crane Reacts. I hope you guys are rocking through your day. It's Friday, at least when I'm doing this, so that's always a good thing. Um, I hope you guys have a nice, safe weekend. With everything, the holidays and stuff going on. The roads are crazy. You know, it's just kind of crazy out there. Um, so I didn't have any requests again. Um, Guys, come on. I need requests. But I went ahead and put together a list, just weird list. We're gonna start off with Voice of Bossy Port, Bossy Port. It's so hard for me to say that fast. Um, and we're gonna do the song Kawani, Kawani, Kawani. I think that's how you say it, Kawani. Um, I've of course never heard it, but I did find a live performance. It's supposed to have pretty good sound, so um, we're gonna go with that one, that performance, and yeah, they rock. I'm digging on them, so yeah, just gonna go ahead and do it. You know what I mean? Um, Let me make sure it's all good still. Sorry about this, guys. There you go. I knew I had it ready. I have it shutting off too fast, I think. Okay, you guys. Without further ado, I haven't heard the song. I'll have my comments at the end. Let's get ready to rock. All right. So that was voice of Baceprot. Um, I know that the drums were too heavy. I don't know if somebody had the microphone up on the drums and down on everything else. So if you guys want me to, I'll do the studio album version, album cover version, basically, um, on Monday. So just let me know, because I think I missed some of the cool guitar. I mean, I could hear it, but it wasn't like defining like I expected. Um, but still, the song rocked. It's up there. Still, right now, my favorite is "Killing in the Name of." I think they almost did it better than Rage Against the Machine, and that's a hefty comment right there. But yeah, real hot take. I think they almost did it better than Rage. Let me see here. I'm gonna give that song. I'm not gonna count the sound quality, so I'm just judging the song. Um, and it's not my sound, by the way, that was off. It's the video. Um, see, for workout, definitely. Party, maybe. Not relaxation. I'm gonna give this one 3 out of 5. It gets on 3 of my playlists out of 5. I really enjoyed it. Like I said, I think I just missed something with the guitar. I'll probably listen to it over the weekend, so I won't. Well, I've already heard it once now, but I'm gonna do the studio version because I want to hear it better. Um, but I want to give you guys the live performance because I know you guys love the live performances. So this was the best one that I could find sound quality wise, of this song. So like I said, I'll do it on Monday. Just let me know. Drop in the comments. Say do it on Monday, and I'll do the studio album. Um, yeah, you know what? Great band. I'm really digging on them. Uh, I don't have anything bad to say other than, like I said, whoever is doing the sound engineer or whatever, they didn't do a very good job. But besides that, I think the song rocked. So, yeah. All right, you guys. You know what I'm going to say now. Please take care of yourself. Take care of each other. And I'm going to catch you on the flip side.